Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this video I will show you how you can record voice narration on your Camtasia Studio. And as you can see I am on my software Camtasia Studio. If you don't have the voice narration button here, section here, just click on more and then you will see that you can add some more options here. You can add the voice narration, as you can see. After adding the voice narration here, you can choose the microphone, as you can see, on your choice. And then you can click on start recording. And now the recording is started, as you can see. After finishing, you can click on stop, save if you want to save it in any place on your computer. Then, as you can see, here is my audio here. And also you will find it on media. Thank you for watching. This was a quick video.